We divide 884 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 3. So now we put down this 8 and it is 38. 5 times 7 is 35. On subtracting we get 3. So again we put down this 4 and it is 34. 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting we get 4. So now there is no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal, so that we put 0. So it is 40 and 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting we get 0. So 884 divided by 5 is 176.8. So this much for today and thanks for watching.